In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a new exhaust hanger in case yours breaks. As you can see, this one is super rotted, and what I'm putting on is this right here. Clamps onto the pipe, you don't have to weld anything, and it fits just like the original. So first off, we have to get rid of this one, whether it's in really poor condition and barely hanging on, or if it's already broken, well then you don't have to do anything because it's already broken off. For me, this is not broken, it's just in very poor condition, so I'm going to cut these rods here and here. I'm not going to cut the pipe, obviously. I'm just going to cut them as close as possible to where the weld ends, which is here, and we'll take them out of the rubber, and then we'll continue with this piece. Now we have to get these old pieces out of here, out of the rubber hangers. Just slide them out. All right, now take your exhaust hanger, open it up, slide it over the pipe, make sure it's facing the right way. Comes with this bolt. Thread the bolt in just to hold it in place. Now I'm going to use a little bit of silicone paste, apply it to the end of the hanger here where it slides into the rubber bushing. And I like silicone paste because it is friendly with rubber. It does not damage it over time, unlike an oil-based lubricant such as rust penetrant. It'll swell the rubber and damage it over time. I'm going to raise up my exhaust. I have a pole jack here, which will help me kind of put it up into at the right height. Slide the hanger into the rubber bushings, just like this. And now that it's in, raise up the exhaust, position it where you think it needs to be, and then we will tighten up this bolt. It's a 12mm bolt. As you tighten it up, it'll clamp down on the exhaust. Okay, that's tight right there. Remove the pole jack if you used that to support it. Ensure that it's still positioned properly. And there you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.